Start.
Good morning, students. Welcome to Narayana online classes. In today's session, we will discuss regarding the topic food components. And in today's session, we will discuss key regarding the questions which is being mentioned on the book. So let us look at the first question. So first question, what food items we need to take to make our diet a balanced diet? So that is the question. Now what is the answer that we have to give pertaining to this question? So before we mention answer to this question, first we need to understand what is a balanced diet. Okay, now what is the definition for balanced diet? A diet which is rich in all the nutritional components like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, lipids and water, it is considered as a balanced diet. Now what are the food items we need to take to make our diet a balanced diet? Okay, for example, food items like rice and roti, they are rich in carbohydrates. And food items like milk, meat and egg, they are rich in proteins, we need to take them. And even food items like fruits and vegetables, they are rich in vitamins and minerals, we need to take that food items. And apart from that, even we have to include water to make our diet a balanced diet. So that is regarding the first question. And coming to the next question, what food items would you take in plenty and adequately? Now to answer this question, first we should understand what is plenty. So plenty, it means we need to take that particular food item in large quantity. So that is what is called as plenty. Now what are the food items that has to be taken plenty? So food items like vegetables and fruits, they need to be taken in plenty or in large quantities. Now what is the reason? The reason is, as these vegetables and fruits, as they are rich in water, they help in proper digestion process and even they will also help in preventing dehydration process. So that is the reason why we need to take food items like fruits and vegetables in large quantity or in plenty. Now what about adequately? So adequately, it means taking the food items on regular basis. Now what are the food items that we have to take adequately? Food items like rice, roti and dal, they need to be taken adequately. Now what is the reason why we are taking these food items like rice, roti and dal adequately? Because these food items, they will be providing energy for performing our day-to-day activities. That is the reason why food items like rice, roti and dal, they have to be taken adequately. So that is regarding the second question. And coming to the third question, question is like this. Your mother cooks food on a low flame or high flame. Now what is the reason? Okay, so now the answer for this question is, like if at all if you are observing your mother, most of the cases she will be cooking the food in low flame. Now what is the reason why she is cooking the food in low flame? Now what will happen if she is cooking the food at high flame? Like if at all, if she is cooking the food at high flame, there is a chances that there will be a loss in the nutritional values. So to prevent the loss of nutritional values, your mother, she is cooking the food at low flame. And even the other reason why she is not cooking the food at high flame is, if at all if she is cooking the food at high flame, there is a chance that food may burn. Even to prevent the burning of food items, your mother is cooking the food at low flame. Okay, so these are the two reasons why your mother, she is cooking the food at low flame. And coming to the next question is, which method of cooking leads to greater loss of nutrients? Okay, now there are three methods. Okay, so first method, like if at all, if we are washing the food items, like if we are washing the vegetables after cutting into smaller pieces, okay, so it may result in greater loss of nutrients. Okay, so that is the first condition. And what is the second condition? Like if at all if you are overcooking the food items, so that is the second condition where there will be a greater loss of the nutrients. And what is the third condition? So third condition, if we are recooking the food item or if we are reheating the food item again and again, so that is another reason which is leading to greater loss of the nutrients. Okay, so this is regarding the next question. And coming to the next question, so question is, who discovered how to prevent scurvy? Okay, so scurvy is a disease and it is for the first time in the year 1752, James Lind, he has discovered scurvy and even he has explained how to prevent scurvy and how this disease can be prevented. So this disease, it can be prevented by taking food items which is rich in vitamin C. Okay, for example, fruits like lemon orange. So these are the food items. It has to be taken in large quantity for preventing the disease curving. And coming to the last question, sixth question, question number 6. Who was the founder of modern science of nutrition? Okay, and the name of the scientist is Lavoisier. Okay, Anthony Laurent Lavoisier. He is a scientist. He is considered as founder of modern science of nutrition. Okay, and there is a last question, question number 7. Question goes like this. So what are the food items that you have taken for your lunchtime, and what are the components which are present in that particular food items? Make a list of it. Like if you are making a list of food items, that list, it includes food items like rice. And what is the component that is present in rice? It is made up of carbohydrate. And the other food items, it includes roti. And roti, it is made up of carbohydrates. And other food item, it includes dal. And dal, it is made up of proteins. And other food items like vegetables and fruits. And these vegetables and fruits, they are made up of protein, vitamins and minerals. And coming to the last item, like it includes ghee and butter. And ghee and butter, it is made up of lipids. Okay, so this is regarding discussion about the questions which has been mentioned in your assignments. And I thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.